and welcome to Beef Gravy Studios. I am your host, Beef Gravy. You're here because you would like to get some videos and some pictures in high quality, and you have an Android phone, and you are frustrated. I've got myself through the process, so now I'm going to do a tutorial for everybody else because that was a lot more complicated than I felt like it should have been. First thing you are going to want to do is go to the Google Play Store, and there is an app called Google Messages. It is from Google LLC. This is what you're going to want to download, and it is for after you downloaded the Google Messages app. You want to go to your settings, and your setup might be a little different than mine. You're going to go to apps and notifications. For the sake of making things easy for the video, I'll just show all the apps. Scroll down to messages, the green icon, which is the messages that came with it, and the blue icon for your new Google messages. Click on messages from Google, and as you can see, it's right here in front of you. Go down to advanced, scroll down. You can click on SMS app, and you can select messages. You can see it's the blue icon instead of the green icon. That will set your messages app, your Google one, as your default. Now you can go down to your Google Messages app. I've already put it in the bottom next to the phone. Go into Messages. You're going to want to tap on your picture icon in the top right corner. And you're going to go down to Messages Settings. Now, some of these are a little different. So we're going to go into RCS Chats. First thing you want to do is turn on at the top here RCS Chats data. Use Wi-Fi or data when messaging. They're going to send you a confirmation text. Once you set this on, you're linked up to RCS Chats. Next, you want to turn on automatically resend as text, SMS, MMS, right here in the center of the screen, and then turn on in the very bottom, auto download files while roaming. Charges may apply. We don't roam that much anymore. It's just a setting you have to do. Now, close to the bottom of the screen, you will see auto download files you receive over mobile data. I have it disabled. Click on this. The default setting is going to be 100 megabytes. That's pitiful. Go all the way to the bottom and click disable. You're there, come back out, and you will now be able to download high definition pictures. Hopefully that is helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you feel like we did a good job, like, share, subscribe, and all that jazz. Take care.